If you're hearing a whole lot about affiliate marketing, but then you don't just know where to start from, and what even makes it worse for you is the fact that you've decided to go learn it, but then you're seeing a whole lot of affiliate programs out there. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 major affiliate programs based on personal experience that I do know is going to guarantee you a higher rate of success. So make sure to stay tuned. So first things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? A very good example is, imagine you have a seller of a product and now you have a buyer who's actually intending to purchase that product. Now another person comes in between the seller and the buyer. In this case, the person is the affiliate marketer. Now this person goes to meet the seller to collect what we call an affiliate link. Now this person decides to share that link with the buyer who actually wants to purchase that item. Now immediately the buyer clicks on that link and then goes to the seller to purchase that item. The person, which in this case is the affiliate marketer, gets certain commission, that is, gets certain money from that purchase. Now the seller would always put what we call commission, that is the percentage the affiliate marketer is going to gain from that purchase. A very good example is, imagine you have a seller of a product selling the product for $50,000 and then the person puts a 50% commission on that product. So immediately the buyer buys it, and then the affiliate marketer is going to get 50%, which is $25,000 from that single purchase. So that's a very good explanation about affiliate marketing. Now moving straight to the affiliate programs you all should get started with if you're actually looking at starting affiliate marketing in 2024. The number 5 on the list is Selar affiliate marketing. Selar is actually a fast growing e-commerce site right now, and I've actually made a whole lot from Selar already. Now Selar is one you can actually go to get started, and what even makes Selar even special is the fact that you don't have to do too much to actually start getting sales. All you need to do is to go to selar.co, and then you want to get a very good seller of a product you already know people around you are looking for. And on Selar you have variety of products, especially digital product you can actually start getting affiliate link for. But then one thing you all need to know is you need to pay the sum of 2,000 naira to get started as an affiliate marketer with Selar. Now moving to the 4th on the list is gonna be Fiverr affiliate marketing. Now Fiverr is actually a very popular freelancing site where we have several people completing several services for different people around the globe. Now Fiverr also has the affiliate program. All you want to do is to go to affiliate.fiverr.com to get started. Now once you go to Fiverr, all you have to do to get your affiliate link is to look for a service that you know that people around you are already in need of. For example, let's say you have someone who actually wants an individual to edit the YouTube video, or you have someone around you who is a business person and doesn't have a logo. All you need to do is to look for a very good logo designer or video editor on Fiverr, and then you want to copy their link and create your own affiliate link using the affiliate Fiverr program, and then you just want to share with the person, and then immediately this person clicks on the link and request for the service and make payment to the freelancer. You get your commission from just that single purchase. So that's about Fiverr. So number 5 Selar, number 4 Fiverr, and now moving to the top on the list is ClickBank. This is actually one of the best affiliate sites right now. In fact, even as a beginner, in just 1 week you can actually start making a whole lot of sales. And what even makes ClickBank special is the fact that they don't just allow you to start the program, but they ensure to train you thoroughly before you get started. They have a video you're gonna watch before you even get started, just to show you step by step all you need to know in order to become an affiliate marketer with your product. And a very good thing a lot of reviews people have given based on ClickBank is the fact that they do pay on time compared to other affiliates program. Now moving to the 2nd on the list is Amazon affiliate program. Amazon. There's absolutely no one in the world aside people that don't really know Amazon, but a lot of people out there know Amazon. Amazon affiliate marketing is actually one of the best as well, with several affiliate programming affiliate links you can actually get. And now what makes Amazon special is the fact that we have variety of product around the world, and these products are actually, starting from cheap product to the expensive ones. So you can actually opt into a niche that doesn't really require a whole lot of money, and then you can get started. Now, before moving to the number one on the list, there's something you all need to know about affiliate marketing. And now we have a lot of competition in affiliate marketing. But then, yes, we would always have competition because it's actually generating a whole lot of money. But there's something you all need to know when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, and that's what we call branding. It's very, very important. It's very crucial in terms of affiliate marketing. Whatever you're gonna do, you want to ensure you make it look like your own business. When I mean making it look like your own business, I mean you want to create a logo, you want to create a social media page, you want to create a website if you can, or you just want to start a YouTube channel, whatever thing, you just want to make something unique, and then you want to grow organically, and then you want to gather people and your audience to even make it easier for yourself. Yes, most of the time you don't need to do this, but then to actually guarantee you a longer rate of money, that's a longer rate of commission, not just a one-time payment or two times payment in like 2 weeks. But then if you want a consistent affiliate commission, all you want to do is to focus on creating a brand for your affiliate marketing. You want to stand out, you want to be unique compared to other affiliate marketers. Now, moving to the number one on the list is Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest. This is actually one of the blowing out affiliate marketing program right now in 2024. Now, you guys need to know what exactly makes it even the best. And what makes it the best is the fact that it is more like a social media platform, just like your Instagram, Facebook, where you just post something and then you already have people you don't know about seeing it without you sharing links or without you sharing things. So Pinterest is actually one of the best. Now, in case you're thinking of getting started with affiliate marketing, in fact, once you post a video or a picture about certain product, you just start seeing a whole lot of views already, a whole lot of clicks. This is actually a very positive, a positive sign that you can actually make it a higher rate compared to other affiliate programs. Another special thing about Pinterest is the fact that you can use it with other affiliate programs. When I mean other affiliate programs, I mean other affiliate e-commerce sites. For example, with Pinterest, you can even get your link from Fiverr affiliate program, you can get your link from Selar, you can get your link from Amazon, and then you can as well show it up in Pinterest itself. So with Pinterest, you're actually more flexible compared to other affiliate programs. Simply to get started, just go to pinterest.com, and then you want to create an account. Best a business account, not just a personal account. Create a business account, create like a business page, and then you want to start posting pictures about products. You can actually get links from Amazon, paste it on your Pinterest profile, get links from Fiverr, probably services, post it on your Pinterest profile. I am telling you, you're going to be getting a whole lot of views in like 2 days or 3 days. You're having a whole lot of views, a whole lot of clicks once you take this seriously. So that brings us to the end. Those are the 5 best based on personal experience I can tell you about. In case you've actually started using one of these affiliate programs, you can drop a comment down below. Let's hear about the experience, your views based on any of these affiliate programs. So yeah, in case you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also share to other people out there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next highly informative video.